Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Can you believe we're already on day 5? Let's do a dance and open it up. What have we got here? Where is it? There it is. Door number 5, and let's see what we've got. Oh, it's like a little table with a jam and some holly there. Very nice. Let's put it together. Alright, open it up and we start with that little table. Let me just check these instructions on what to do. And we're putting in these little plates here. And this is for the holly or for the mistletoe it can be on the side of the table. And look at the love heart. Pop the lid on. Oh wow, I think I want to have that for my house. What a pretty display with the little love heart there. I'm really liking that. What's going on?
Oh, yeah.
Who's taken my stand with the love heart? Where is it? I gotta find it. Whew, lucky I got that back. So day 5 is done. Oh yeah, sorry about that, Jojo. I just really love sparkly things. Now that I've got my display back from Bachelor Batman, we will be opening up door number 6 tomorrow already. Christmas is coming very soon.